Back at one of my favorite stores out in East LA, checking out the Foot Locker outlet. And here in the men's section, do see Jordan 1 lows right here. Some of my favorite basketball shoes going for hella cheap. Classic trainers at such a good freaking price. And Nike signature basketball shoes for the cheapest we've ever seen. $30? Are you serious? 30 freaking bucks? And at this location, of course, they got men's shoes. They got all kinds of apparel steals. I already found something I'm getting for sure. Even got a kids Foot Locker. Got a women's section over here as well. Even got some hats and even Crocs. Men's sneaker section, we go all the way from $15 all the way to $100 over there. And their $20 selections, not bad at all. Got some rivalries right here. Dude got some Reeboks. They always got Converse for really cheap. Including some old schools right there. And they got a couple more, $15 freaking dollars. $20 selections over here. Another colorway right here, all canvas upper. Got Cheeto suedes. Got 3 different type of scoots right here. Cheetos RSX for 30 bucks. Classic nylons. Crazy ones. More classic nylons. 4 different colorways of the Samoas. Palm slides. More RSX. More of the rivalries. Some Blazer jumbos. What the hell is this? Some Crocs? Crocs shoes go for 30. 3 different colorways of the Adelaide 22s, right? I think that's what those are called. Some hover shoes. A couple of the Adidas SL 72s. And that's all for $30 and less. Kind of crazy. All right, we're gonna get to the apparel. I did see these over there. The sizing looks really weird. This is a small. Look at how oversized that is. What the hell? This is a pro standard, so it's not like a budget thing or anything. It's normally $110, but this is a small right here. This is oversized like crazy. Holy crap, this small fits like a freaking large. Holy crap. Yeah, that's not my style, dude. I like the color. I like everything else so much. But yeah, I don't like the way it fits. I was gonna grab 2, one for me and one for one of the homies. The price is $20 freaking dollars. It has all kinds of patches. Pro Standard always has all kinds of patches. Lakers on the side. It says Los Angeles Lakers. And then has LAL on the hood. Freaking love this, but yeah, sizing is all weird. They got XL swimming trunks right here. Lakers swimming trunks. These are down to 20 bucks. These are normally 75. Got Nike Denver Nuggets shirts right here. I see small, I see medium, I see large. $40 down to 10 bucks. I'm gonna see Dallas merch right here. This is a medium. I don't see a price tag on it though. I bet it's cheap. Oh, this one's $20, so probably the same thing. It is team apparel though. They got the Kobe hoodies right here. These are going for 60. What are they normally? Normally 125, so 50% off. The material on this is pretty nice. It's pretty thin though. It is pretty thin. I can't believe they got Kobe stuff right here. Smalls. We got smalls. We got smalls. We got XL. So they do have different sizes. I see large XL. I see a few different sizes here. So pretty freaking dope. More than 50% off. Nike fleece jackets go for 40. We got some windbreakers right here. Tech Pack windbreakers. 145. They're down to 80 bucks. They got some Mace on the loudspeaker. Freaking Mace was dope, dude. This whole album was so fire. This was 94, 95. Was it 96? I don't know. It was 94 to 96. I don't remember which year. But yeah, fire album. Dude got this right here. Curry's for $40. Curry's for $40. What is this? The Curry 11. They all came as a low that year. Also still got these running shoes right here. The Forever Runs. They had these in like 4 different colorways. I think this is the only one left. Yeah, this is the only one left. I'm looking around. I don't see any other colors. They do got these. What are these? The Phantoms? The Phantom 1. When they were running shoes. Oh, they're still running shoes, I think. But yeah, 40 bucks. MB3s right here, cheapest. We've seen those. MB1's cheapest. We've seen those. I think that's cheaper than Ross. Oh, wait. We got 2 other colorways. I was right next to it, and I'm like blind as hell apparently, but got 2 more Forever Runs going for 40 bucks. Climb up to the 50s. We still got a couple more MB3s. Nike Air Max 1s. I swear these prices are cheaper than Ross. I think I found one of them for 40, but they got multiple sizes here. They got multiple sizes. I see a size 9 US and a 9.5 on display. They got Uggs right here for 50 bucks if that's your thing. They got the Guide 17s right here. These are Brooks. This is one of their best running shoes. That is crazy. The size 11.5 on display. Wow. That's one of Brooks' premier running shoes. Regular price $140, so $90 off. Okay, first of all, these shoes super ugly, but they're not as comfy. I've always heard good things about these, but they're not as cushiony as I like. But yeah, 50 bucks still solid price. And at 60, we do have some KD 16s. Also got these Air Max 90s, as well as these Clifton leathers right here. This is definitely the cheapest we've ever seen these. I'm not digging the blue. Like if they were like maybe that suede and like just the regular color, like maybe a little bit of black. 60 for Forces. More Air Max 1s. Air Max Drift. Bombas, Campuses, the Lunar Roams. Then even got these Bad Bunny Campus right here, as well as these Clifton leathers as well. Crazy, what are these? The Crazy 97s. Ones, Crazy Infinities, I think. Then more Lunar Roams, and then Air Forces for 60 bucks. And they do have tons and tons of apparel as well. What brand is this? I was gonna say, is this Locker brand? No, this is Clutch. Oh, this is New Balance. New Balance Clutch Athletics? What the hell? I don't know. But New Balance shorts right here, 20 bucks. 20 bucks for New Balance basketball shorts. A little thin though. I feel like it's the way they're all making them. Do got a bunch of these. Oh, we got large. Got different sizes here maybe? Or is this all large? All large, $20 Pro Standard hoodies. We got these Jordan t-shirts right here. Jordan t-shirts. These are going for 30 bucks. Is this Lakers shorts? I don't know what it says on it. It is an N with the Nike sign on it. I don't know the price. It was originally $66. Got some New Balance sweats right here. They look kind of big though. They do look kind of big. I didn't know they sell New Balance clothing at Foot Locker. I've never seen it before. Do got the MB La France hoodies right here, or fleece jackets, 100 bucks. They are largest. They look oversized. Crazy too. Got a nice little Jordan. Is that supposed to be there? I don't think that's supposed to be there. I don't think this is that weathered look. But 68 bucks. I don't know what the price on that is. Most of the stuff here is 50 bucks. I would think 50 bucks. You got a couple of the tech fleece. I see a small, and is this a medium or a small? 2 smalls right here. Ooh, they got double XL tech fleece, $80, and then also got this jacket right here for 80 bucks. And then New Balance, probably same price. They got the Lakers long sleeve t-shirts right here. I don't think they have my size. Yeah, they got a bunch of mediums and large. These are going for 15 bucks. Pretty decent. It's a large, so you kind of know how sizing works, since it's not like Pro Standard where it's like all random. But yeah, 50 down to 15, not bad. New Era Rams t-shirts right here. I don't see a price on it. Is it $10 section right here? Yeah, I think they're 10 bucks. Got Dodger shirts, 10 bucks. Back to the men's sneakers. Do got, what are these? The Kawanas, some Hokas right here, going for $70. She got them in multiple colorways. Some Glycerins, some Ghosts, going for even cheaper for you runners. Got Vomeros, KD Nerfs right here, the KD 4s, right? KD 4 Nerfs. Got some mids, MVPs. Also got Harden Volume, what are these? The Volume 9s? Like I said, the Volume 8s. Got more mids down there. At this price range, see a lot of stuff. 2002 Rs, got 6 rings right here. Got some Curry 12s. GT Hustle 3s, that's actually a really good price. Safari colorway down there. Got some LeBrons going for 80. Did I skip over this? Did I skip over these right here? Dude got, I think I didn't skip. I think I showed this to you guys. But yeah, these are my favorite basketball shoes. $50 makes me want to think about it. This is $80. But I do have a couple of these. My original Chicago colorway is trashed because I've been wearing them all the time. But I do have an orange one that I haven't worn yet. So there's really no need. But to be honest, not like it stopped me in the past. But yeah, this is the men's section right here. I did forget to check the last size section. But some of these are on the wall, so I guess some of it's last size and some of it's not. $70 for this colorway of the Curry 12s. And then got, what are these? The MVPs, right? The MVPs. The Elevates. Got these Air Forces. This is huge though. Size what? 13? Yep. $60. Got some mids. Jordan 1 low OGs. Got some Curry 11s right here. $40 for these Curry 11s. This is my size 10.5. This matches with my Project Rock hoodie way better than the Currys I have at home, to be honest. Yeah, I like the color on these, to be really honest. I really do. But do I need them? Not really. Wait, are these Vans $10? What the hell? $10 Vans? Yeah, I'm a huge fan of these, but am I really gonna wear them like that? Am I really gonna wear them like that though? Damn, that's cheap, damn. I would get these if they have it in my size, but they don't. 480s, $30 for 480? Suede's right here, is this grade school? Is this women's? What is this? No, this is a men's. Holy crap, that is crazy cheap. Those for 40. Grade school foamposites. Damn, some of these prices are crazy. It's also crazy. Baltimore just not getting it done, man. I thought Baltimore would smash. I went with the over in Baltimore win on this one. Ooh, that's a nice catch. That's a nice catch. And dude got some more of these right here, the GT Jump 2s. Oh, this is really nice. A little more than I want to pay though. The GT Hustles here as well. All right, we're checking out the women's section now. But they still got these ships right here. They got these Jordan ships right here for $30 freaking dollars. Probably just smaller sizes. But the 550s right here, $40 freaking bucks. Multiple colorways. Puma Suede XLs. The Fenty collab. Yeah, the Fenty collab got multiple colorways right here. I like this black one. Nice corduroy upper. Jordan slips right here. Twos and more twos for $40 bucks. What are these? The two trays? The two trays, right? Two trays, $40. Satin dunks. Ones, more twos for $40 bucks. Another pair of twos right here, $50 for these Jordans. Air Max 1s. Adidas SLs. These Sabrinas going for what? These Sabrinas going $50 bucks. Gammas $50 bucks. Cosmic Unities. Wait, I skipped over these NMDs. Going for $49.99. Got Air Max Plus right here. Got some dunks. Forces. 2002 Rs. I bet they only have smaller sizes because this is a fire colorway for $70 bucks. Got some Hokas with the Rincons. I got some more speed shoe. Got Vomeros right here, and then Jordan 6s in all suede go for $80 bucks. I got 270s and then a couple of the Shox TLs. Been seeing these at Ross here and there. Of course, sizing always an issue. All right, I do see some stuff that I didn't see on the sidewalls right here. Revel 7s right here. These normally go for $100 bucks. They're down to $50. So if you're into books, running shoes, not bad. Yeah, I also got these Uggs right here. I've been seeing some of these at the outlets. These are going for $50. Why? Because there's a sign right there that shows. All kinds of New Balances right here in this section. 2002 Rs. What are these? The Wave Runners or something? The Warped Runners. All kinds of 550s. And more of the same over here. And they got other stuff, but I don't see anything that didn't see on the wall. Checking out the Crocs. They do have Valentine's Day Crocs for $30 bucks. They got multiple sizes. Got the Pokemon Jigglypuffs right here, $40. These are all men's sizes. Because remember, they do have a kids Foot Locker here as well. They got more of those. Yoda ones right here go for $40. They got quite a good selection, $30 for those right there. They got the platform ones for $30. Nightmare Before Christmas, $30. See if they have any interesting hats. No, not really. They got these New York green ones right here for 20. That one's a snapback. This one as well. And they still have some of the fitted hats. Oh, they're down to 10 bucks. $10 for these fitted hats. They have a few sizes. They have 2 sizes of the New York ones, 7 3/4. And they got these adjustable ones down here for 20. They do have a kids Foot Locker right there. Definitely worth stopping by out in East LA. Check the description for the address. There's the East LA Community Store, which is pretty much an outlet. But they don't let me film here, so I'll let you know what I find. All right, not much worth showing you guys. They did have 40% off the clearance section. And they also have refurbished clothing, but really wasn't much. There really was nothing. I would have at least taken pictures, but there really wasn't anything to show you guys. All right, we're out, man. I'm gonna hit up 1 or 2 more stores today to get enough videos for the rest of the week. Stay tuned.